system which is called as laser security system. This is very useful in our regular security system. It is one of the important regular security system. It works with LDR sensor, laser and Arduino brain. This is the code which I given for this. The pin of the LDR is A4 and the buzzer is A4, D4, digital 4. It detects the changes in the light. So if any changes in the laser light, it automatically starts the buzzer or alarm. Now I will show my laser security system. This is the laser light which has a 3.7 volts battery, and this is an LDR. This is the Arduino Nano. If any object comes, it automatically starts the alarm. Thank you.